suffer from that burning sensation in your chest after meals? Or that sour taste in your mouth that keeps you up at night? Acid reflux is more common than you think. And here's the good news. Certain vitamins can actually help stop acid reflux naturally and effectively. In today's video, we'll discuss the 5 powerful vitamins that help you beat acid reflux for good. It acts by healing your gut, strengthening your digestive system, and balancing stomach acid naturally. 1. Vitamin B12. Let's start with vitamin B12. Low B12 levels are common in people who suffer from acid reflux, especially those who take antacids or proton pump inhibitors long-term. Vitamin B12 helps maintain healthy nerve and digestive functions. It supports the esophageal sphincter and helps reduce inflammation caused by excess stomach acid. Include B12-rich foods like eggs, fish, and fortified cereals. Always check B12 levels if you're on acid-reducing medication. Next up, vitamin C, the immune-boosting superstar. You might be thinking, isn't citrus bad for acid reflux? Well, use buffered vitamin C, also known as calcium ascorbate, which is gentler on the stomach. Buffered vitamin C helps heal the inflamed esophageal lining and supports digestion without triggering reflux symptoms. Combine with alkaline fruits like melon, banana, and papaya. Avoid ascorbic acid form and opt for buffered or liposomal C. 3. Vitamin D. It isn't just for bones. It's vital for your digestive health too. Vitamin D helps regulate inflammation, supports immune defense, and may protect the esophagus from damage caused by acid. Studies show that low vitamin D levels are linked with increased risk of GERD. Try to get about 15 to 30 minutes of sun exposure daily and include foods like salmon, mushrooms, and fortified milk in your diet. Vitamin D helps reduce inflammation in the gut and esophagus. Coming in at number 4, vitamin E, especially in the form of mixed tocopherols. Why does this matter? Because vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps repair the mucosal lining of the esophagus. It reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, which are both drivers of chronic acid reflux. So, you can add sunflower seeds, almonds, and spinach to your meals, and choose natural vitamin E supplements. D-alpha tocopherol with mixed tocopherols. Avoid synthetic vitamin E and always go natural. Finally, a lesser-known hero. Vitamin U. It's not officially a vitamin, but it's a compound found in cabbage and leafy greens that has shown powerful healing properties for ulcers and acid reflux. Vitamin U supports the production of protective mucus in the stomach and promotes the healing of the GI lining. You can drink fresh cabbage juice daily on an empty stomach or add raw or lightly cooked cabbage to your diet. It's available in supplement form as well. So there you have it. 5 powerful vitamins that don't just mask symptoms, but actually support your body's natural ability to heal acid reflux from the inside out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another natural health tip. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.